Hey guys, Seth Perkins here from Whitefeather Meats, Bearded Butcher Blend Seasoning. Today I want to show you how to reverse sear a Bison Tomahawk chop on the Big Green Egg. I've gone ahead and pre-seasoned this with our original Bearded Butcher Blend Seasoning. This bison was harvested by us, the Bearded Butchers, at Whitefeather Meats. It's an animal that we raise right on our farm. So at this point, I've let this steak sit out at room temperature for about 45 minutes to an hour, just to bring the internal temperature of that steak up before I place it on the heat. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maintain a grill temp of about 225 to 250 degrees. And what I wanna do is place this steak on the grill, and I'm gonna put a wired probe into the steak, and I'm gonna smoke it over sugar maple rockwood wood chunks. So let's go ahead and place this on our Big Green Egg. So first of all, I'm gonna put the seasoned side down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just season this side. I'm gonna flip it up. Make sure this is a very, a nice thick cut steak, so I want to make sure all sides are seasoned well. So now that my steak is placed on my grill temp's where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and put the probe in this beautiful, beautiful Bison Tomahawk chop. You want to get the probe in the thickest, most center part of that steak. I'm going to go ahead and shut the grill. We're going to take that internal temperature up to about 110 degrees. At that point, I'm going to remove the convector out of the Big Green Egg. We're going to raise the temperature of our grill up to about 600 degrees, and then we're simply going to sear it one side and then the other, and then we will enjoy this Bison Tomahawk rib chop. All right, checking back in here. It's been about 30 minutes. Our grill temp has held right at 250 degrees. Our core temp of our wired probe going into the steak is right at 115 degrees. So this is a point where we can go ahead, open the grill, remove that steak, pull the convector out of the grill, and let's get this thing fired up to 600 and start our reverse sear. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. See that sugar maple smoke roll out of that grill? I think it looks perfect. I know it's gonna be medium rare on the inside by the time we're done. So let's go ahead, let's get this steak off. Let's get this temp up to about 600. All right guys, so here we are, we're back with you. Our steak has been resting. We're at an internal temp of 109 degrees right now. We did have a brief rain shower that came through, but it worked out perfect because during that time, we were able to get the temperature of our grill up to about 650 degrees. So now what we're gonna do, be careful when you open your grill lid at this temperature. This is where you're gonna want, the grill's actually gonna wanna have a real bad flashover, so you definitely wanna burp your grill at this point. So we're gonna wanna go ahead and open the grill, and now we're gonna unwrap this steak and we're gonna place it on our grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side. We're looking for an internal temp of about 135 degrees, and then we'll pull it and we'll let it rest. So let's go ahead and unwrap this amazing Bison Tomahawk chop, and let's get it placed on our grill. So we're gonna go ahead and just close it. And now we wait 2 to 3 minutes. On this side, we'll open the grill up. We'll do the same thing on the other side, or until we reach that temp of about 135 degrees. All right, it's time to flip the steak. Let's take a look. Boy, that looks incredible. We're running at about 700 degrees. Let's just wait a minute for our grill temp to come up, or our probe temp to come up to about 135, and then this steak's done. All right, our steak is done. So at this point, we're gonna pull it off, and we're just gonna let it rest. So this steak has rested now for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and slice it and see how we did. I'm gonna use my Victorinox 6-inch knife that we love so much. Let's just start slicing this steak. Let's take a peek at the center cut. So as you can see, we have a beautiful, medium rare, juicy, see those juices running down, internal part of this steak with a nice, crispy, crunchy exterior. And you can see that this steak is just gonna be incredible. So that is a reverse seared Bison Tomahawk rib chop on the extra large Big Green Egg. Reaches an internal temp of about 135 because we're looking for that rare thunderstorm. God is spoken! I hear you!
He said he likes the steak.
We will feed you some steak too.